Why do 70% of campers choose dome tents? Is it just a trend, or is there more to it? Let's uncover the truth behind the hype and see what makes these tents so popular. Dome tents are super popular, and for good reason. They offer a blend of convenience and functionality that many campers find irresistible. First up, portability. These bad boys are lightweight and easy to pack, so you won't feel like a pack mule on your hike. Whether you're trekking through the woods or scaling a mountain, carrying a dome tent is a breeze. Plus, their simple setup means you'll spend less time fumbling with poles and more time roasting marshmallows. Imagine arriving at your campsite and having your shelter ready in minutes. But wait, there's more. Dome tents are champs when it comes to stability. Their design is not just for looks, it's built to withstand the elements. Their aerodynamic shape means they can handle wind like a pro. So when those unexpected gusts hit, you can rest easy knowing your tent will stay put. Perfect for those unexpected gusts. Whether you're camping in an open field or a windy mountainside, dome tents have got you covered. Now let's talk cons. While they're strong, they often lack headroom. This can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you like to move around freely inside your tent. So if you're tall or just enjoy standing up without doing a yoga pose, this might be a drawback. It's something to consider if comfort is a top priority for you. Also, they're generally better for small groups. While they're perfect for solo adventurers or couples, larger groups might find them a bit tight. If you're planning a family camping trip, you might feel a bit cramped. Space can be an issue, so plan accordingly. So are dome tents worth it? It really depends on your camping style and needs. For solo adventurers or couples, absolutely. They offer the perfect balance of convenience, stability, and ease of use. For larger groups, maybe not so much. Happy camping, everyone. Remember, the best tent is the one that suits your adventure.